How to cook easy fish escabeche. First, fry the fish. Don't forget to season them with salt before frying. And then, once cooked, set aside. Now, on the same pan, saute onion and garlic. And then add ginger. Next, add the bell pepper strips. And next is the carrot strips. Next, add 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, season it with salt and pepper. And then add back the fried fish. Scoop some sauce and pour it over the fish. And let it cook for a few more minutes. And then you're done. Thank you for watching.